Good morning, dear children. Now, today I will tell you how to draw the logic circuit. Means what? Circuit diagram. Okay. So, circuit diagram, it's a very easy. All of you know this one. Just as revision, I am telling you, or if you have any confusion, you can remove here. Okay. So, now, how will you draw the logic diagram? Yeah, logic circuit is also called logic diagram. So logic circuit is a what? Circuit diagram, okay, with the combination of different logic gates. Okay, जब बहुत सारे लॉजिक गेट्स को एक साथ कनेक्ट करके कोई सर्किट बनती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? लॉजिक सर्किट. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी हियर a bar dot b plus a dot c. So how will you draw? So my dear, simple. So you find out how many variables given here. Here a and a bar one variable only. Clear? So a, b, c, three variables given. A bar is not different one. A and a bar same hai. So a, b, c, three variables given. So you will draw the three lines. But a bar is also given here. So what will you do for that? So my dear, so first of all you draw the A, you can see here, okay. Then A bar is also required here. So you draw the A bar line, this line, or you connect with the NOT gate. NOT gate means what? If A connected with the NOT gate, then what bit will output? A bar, okay. So next B bar is not given in this equation, so no need to make the B bar. So simply B and C, because C bar is also not given here. So next one, what will you do? A bar. So A bar. So this line is A bar. So in this one, what will you do? Put one dot. Okay. This is called katiya. You know na, wire में katiya फंसाते हैं. So like that. So A bar. So you connect with A bar. Okay. Then second one is what? B. So you connect with B. My dear, this dot is very important because you are passing with the two lines. So how will you find out कि किससे कनेक्टेड है? सो व्हेन यू विल मेक योर डॉट, सो दिस इज कनेक्टेड विद द बी. अदरवाइज ये सी पर से भी जा रहा है तो सी से कनेक्ट नहीं माना जाएगा, डॉट वाले से माना जाएगा कनेक्टेड. सो नेक्स्ट वन, सो दिस वन ए बार डॉट, डॉट इज हियर, सो यू विल पुट हियर द एंड गेट. ओके. सो आउटपुट यू शुड राइट हियर ए. सो व्हाट विल बी आउटपुट हियर? ए बार डॉट बी. सो सेम नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? ए डॉट सी. सो ए सी connected with the and a dot c. So you can see here plus. So plus means what? OR gate. So this one and this one you will connect with the OR gate. So output you should write here a bar dot b plus a dot c. So now come on the second example. A bar dot b plus a dot b bar dot, ब्रैकेट के पहले डॉट ही होता है अगर नहीं दिया कुछ तो, c plus b dot c. So how many variables here? A, b, c, three variables given, but a has a bar, a and a bar is also given here. B bar is given, C bar is not given. So you will draw a bar, B bar, C. No need of the C bar. Okay. So now first of all you will go with this one, a bar dot B. So a bar dot B attached with the AND gate. Here you should write here a bar dot B. So output you should write here. So next one is what? A bar dot B bar, A dot B bar. So A dot B bar, this one. So here you write. Clear? Then you come on here. So in this one, how will you solve? C can here. Okay, C plus is given here. So C connected with B dot C. So B, this is a B dot C. B and C ka dot means what? AND gate. So this is a B dot C. B dot C and C connected with the OR gate. Okay. So this will be a C plus B dot C. Okay. Now all are connected with the OR gate. You can see because plus is here. No. Something is problem here. A dot, wait. A dot B bar. A dot B bar. A dot B bar. A dot B bar. This one is na. This one is A dot B bar. No, here you put here. In place of dot here put plus. Okay. Here A dot B bar, here is a plus. Here is a plus. So correct it here. So A dot B bar के बाद dot नहीं है, plus है. Clear? Here is a plus. So all you will connect with what? OR gate, because this is this one, and this one, all are here is the what? Plus. Please pay attention. All you connect with the, here you write here plus, so all you connect with the OR gate. So now come on the third example. Third example is what? A dot B, A dot in bracket B plus C whole bar plus A dot B plus A dot B dot C. So A, this is A, then B plus C bar, this is B, and C, so this will be a B plus C because OR gate is here. B plus C, this is a B plus C, then whole bar is given. So when you will connect with B plus C with NOT gate, so here what will be? B plus C whole bar, and connect, here is a dot, so you will connect with the AND gate. Okay, now come on the A dot B dot C. So this is A dot B dot C, because dot is here, so AND gate you will use. This output you will attach with the OR gate because plus is here. So final output you write. So my dear, now you will solve these three questions, 1, 2, 3. Clear? So solve it, and especially be careful with this one. So all are not watching the videos, all are not doing the homework. So my dear, when your school will open, I will check all the things, or anytime I can ask your copies. So all you must do this one. So very important. God bless you. Thank you.